Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your Marshall Willen II speaker. So, to use the controls on our speaker we have to find this button here, which is on different of our speaker. Let me place my phone right there so that you can see everything clearly. If we click this button, our music will be unpaused. But if you click this button once again, this music will be paused. If we go to the right, we'll go to the next song, but wait a moment, to the right. And if you go to the left, we'll go to the previous song. If we pull this button to the up, we can see that our volume level is increasing, and to the down, completely opposite. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye, have a nice day.